Hi guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your video content using this application called Quik. This application is developed by GoPro. It's available on iPhone and Android phone. It's totally free. It's free to download and all the feature on it is free to use. The other thing I love about this application is it's fun and fast. So fast that all you need to do is to select the photos or the video clips that you want to work on, and this application will do the rest by adding text and adding music to it and turn it into a video. So now let's get to it. So once you open this application, you will be able to see all the previous project that you worked on before, and you can tap the plus button and it will take you to the interface. You can either select minimum of 5 photos or 1 video clips to start a video project. So I'm gonna start with just choosing 5 photos. I'm gonna choose my puppy's new photos. 4. And just so you know, these photos, they are in different format. Some of them are in landscape format and some of them are in vertical format. And this application is really good at matching different type of format. So add 5. And so as you can see, this application choose a video template for you and choose a song for you. So it's pretty much done. So from here, you can go in and make the change that you want. I will suggest you to pick a template first. There's different type of template. Let's just see a few of them. Yeah, so there's different template you can choose. There's also different type of music you can choose. There's different themes here. And each theme will have different songs in this theme. So you can choose anything that you want. And they are all royalty free and allowed in commercial settings. So that's one thing I love about this application too. So once you choose the template and also choose the songs, now it's time for you to just decide that if that's good enough for you. If not, you can actually go into edit individual slides, individual picture. So by tapping this, the play button, and when you tap on each pictures, there are different things you can do. You can add text. Here we'll go double puck. Or you can adjust by selecting which area of the picture that you want to show in the video. There's flip, different type of flip, and also you can adjust the focus of the picture. You can choose which part of the picture you want the video to be focused on, and also you can choose the durations of this particular picture slides, and also you can choose fit. As you can see, this is a vertical picture fitting in on a landscape format. Also, you can duplicate that. So every picture, you have the same option to make the same change. And once you're done here, you can also click on the tool button. So here you can change the format of the whole video. So you can choose cinema, which is the horizontal or landscape format, or you can choose the square. Also, you can choose the portrait, which is the vertical format. You can also choose the whole video's durations. As you can see, there's great for Instagram, one that's auto selected by this application, or there's the other option for you to choose to end the video when the music is ended at the same time. Also, there's filters. Also, you can choose which part you want the music to start from. Okay, so that's everything you need to know about this application on how to make a video slideshow quickly and how to edit and change to your slideshow. And now I'm gonna show you how to edit video clips using this application. So once you in the application, it's the same interface. You need to start your video project by selecting at least one video clip. So I will choose 3 of my video clips that I worked on before. 1, 2, 3. So what's happening here is this application tends to mute all your video clips and play the music for you. So the same process. First, you need to choose the video template and choose the music after. Once you tap on the video template, you can actually change the font of the text on the video. Also, there's a few graphic options that you can choose. You can play around with that yourself. And once you select the video template and the music, the next thing you need to do is to trim each clip. So I have 3 clips here, and they're all supposed to be for one video. So I'm gonna show you, you can tap highlight. So what highlight does is just to select which part of the video you want to highlight. So I don't really use that. I use trim. There's balance. So what balance does is let the video choose which part of your video clip will be playing in the main video. I don't use that. I use manual. So I will trim the parts that I don't want. So I will trim the front and the end. So that's how you trim the video clips for this application. Also, you need to trim use the same process to trim each video clip. And the other thing you can do is to adjust. So the same as when you're working on the picture, you get to choose which part of the video that you want to show on your main video clips. And there's also speed, there's also volume, there's mix, boost, and off. I will choose mix. So what this does is actually this application adjusts the audio volume and also the music's audio volume for you. And also there's speed, so you can play your individual video clips faster or slower or just the regular speed. Also fit, the same. If you're using a vertical video on a landscape format, the fit will do the adjustment for you, and you can also duplicate the video clips. So the same thing. After you finish, you can also choose the format, the duration, where the music starts, and the filter. And so after you finish, just hit save and you're done. And now we're done. Let's do a review of these applications. If you are new to making videos, which is you don't have a lot of technique, you don't have a lot of resource yet, this application is perfect because as you can see, it does most of the work for you. The only downfall of this application is that you don't have a lot of options to make changes and edit. It's pretty much all done for you. That's one thing that I don't really like about this application. At the same time, I love it. Depends where you at video making. If you are more advanced, you probably want to use something else. So that's pretty much it for today. And if you like my video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel so I can make more video about video editing and how to make content for yourself, for your own business. And that's it for today. And thank you so much. I will see you guys next week.